The British monarchy is now entangled in a stormy legal drama, with Prince Harry, Duke of Sussex, at the blazing centre of an unprecedented courtroom clash. What began as a routine probe into media misconduct has morphed into a gripping legal saga that threatens to shake the royal institution to its very core. At the heart of this high-stakes scandal are explosive allegations made by a senior judge, claims that have sent shockwaves ricocheting through both the legal world and royal circles. This isn't just tabloid fodder. Legal experts are treating the matter with chilling seriousness, openly discussing the possibility of criminal charges that could unthinkably land a prince behind bars. The judge's ruling reads more like a searing indictment, brutally dissecting Harry's conduct throughout the legal proceedings. Among the gravest accusations, deliberate dishonesty under oath, reckless misuse of his royal status, and a fundamental breach of trust in handling key evidence. Legal commentators have been stunned by the rare ferocity of the language, with some calling it historic, perhaps the most scathing rebuke of a royal in modern UK legal memory. What was once a civil case now appears to be expanding into a full-blown criminal investigation targeting Harry's behavior during the proceedings. Behind the scenes, insiders whisper that prosecutors are vigorously examining whether Harry suppressed vital information, violated court-imposed confidentiality, or even stepped into the murky territory of obstructing justice. These aren't minor missteps, they are potential felony-level offenses. The fact that a royal is even being considered for such charges marks a seismic shift in the monarchy's standing within the British justice system. But Harry isn't alone in this legal quagmire. Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, is being drawn into the narrative with increasing scrutiny. Multiple insiders, from former aides to royal staff, paint Meghan as a driving force behind Harry's combative legal stance. Her influence, they suggest, is not only strong but possibly destabilizing. Reports hint that Meghan's relentless pursuit of press accountability may have stoked the fire now engulfing the Duke. Far from a passive bystander, she reportedly had access to sensitive legal briefings and may have shaped strategy, despite not being a formal party in the case. That unusual overlap between private spouse and shadow strategist has raised alarm bells among ethics watchers. Adding fuel to the fire are claims that Meghan encouraged Harry to double down in court, pushing for a no-compromise approach even after advisors flagged the risks. This raises questions not only about judgment, but about the couple's grip on the larger consequences. The unraveling of Harry's public image, from principled royal rebel to embattled legal figure, didn't happen overnight. It began in 2020, when he and Meghan dramatically exited royal life. Back then, it was framed as a courageous stand for personal freedom and privacy. But now, that bold step appears to have snowballed into a precarious legal crusade. One critics argue is spiraling towards self-destruction.